We've been here, there, and a little bit of everywhere this cold temperatures last week, talking about thunderstorms last night and seeing and hearing our first signs of thunderstorms this year. And then talking about the snowfall for this winter. We are at one of the driest winters on record. Now through February 25th, we've picked up a little bit more snow. Through all of January, we'd only see an inch, and that had been the driest winter, but now picking up a little less than 5.5 inches. We're at the top 5th spot at 6.2 inches, with the driest winter on record being back in 1922 to 1923, when we only saw a little bit over 2 inches in total through this point in February. But on average, we should be almost closer to about 21 inches of snow. And looking statewide, this is how the entire state is faring compared to average. And you'll see Lincoln and Omaha included in that darker brown shade. That would be about 1 foot to 2 feet of snow below average on the season through February 25th. Much of northern Nebraska and the Sandhills are in the same boat with us. The area is faring a little bit better southwest Nebraska, around 4 to 8 inches below, and then closer to near normal, especially with all the snow they saw down toward Falls City in the southeast corner of the state. Now, there isn't a whole lot of snow, really any snow in the forecast, outside of maybe a small chance next week with a system coming through that we're still kind of fine-tuning the details on the track of. And how warm we stay through that system may bring us more rain than snow. And I think we'll take that, because we'll take any moisture at this point with that deficit in snow through the season. But at this point, we can pick up more moisture if it actually comes in the form of rain and some liquid. But we're rather dry through the end of this week. Taking a live look at our Honda of Lincoln camera at South 27th and Yankee Hill Road. Very warm at the moment. In fact, we are above our average high temperatures at this time of the year at 47 degrees right now in Lincoln. 45 down in Beatrice. Now a little bit cooler with some clearing from the cloud cover out to the west, closer to about 40 degrees in York and Aurora and out toward the Tri-Cities. But even despite some stronger northwest winds throughout the day today, we will be approaching almost 60 degrees across southeast Nebraska. But the wind will be pretty pesky throughout the day today, talking about gusts around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Namely, those are going to pick up later this morning once we can mix a little bit stronger winds from higher up in the atmosphere due to some more sunshine throughout the day. And those winds will stay right around there through much of the afternoon before calming as the sun goes down later on tonight. Now, there have been a few elevated showers in southeast, a few sprinkles making it to the ground, but other than that, we're seeing some clearing skies, and that should exit to our east pretty early on this morning. And then as you're seeing the rest of the day today, pretty ample sunshine. There you see it through the afternoon, and then clear skies into tonight. So still going to be above average, warming up to the 60s, looking at Thursday and Friday. Another windy day on Friday, and then we'll have a better chance for some moisture early next week.